Is your BYD Atto 3, Dolphin, or Han key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead or weak CR2032 battery. First, confirm the issue isn't a simple pairing problem by checking your car's infotainment system under Vehicle, then Key Settings. If that doesn't work, it's time for a battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, Energizer or Duracell recommended, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and optionally some isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs to clean corroded contacts. Insulated tools are best to prevent static discharge. Remember, BYD recommends professional service to avoid voiding warranties, but this DIY fix is usually straightforward. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually on the sides or back. For Atto 3 fobs, be aware of a hidden clip near the keyring hole. Apply firm but careful pressure. Gently pry the case open. If it's stuck, a quick blast from a hairdryer, 10 to 15 seconds, can soften the adhesive. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side in the correct orientation. Clean any corrosion on the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Reassemble the fob and test its functionality within 10 meters of your vehicle. If it still doesn't work, try repairing it through the car's settings.